Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find help in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner, press on the three lines there, and after that press on help and feedback. And here you can just select basically a topic like about app for example, and you will be able to see everything about the app. You can also press on help down below and you will be able to find everything basically about the application here in this help page. You can even see frequently asked questions here, and if it is similar to your problem you can just press on it and you will be able to see the answer, or if it redirects you to a different site you can just press on it and you will be able to find there the answer. So yeah, you can just find a topic here and more than likely you're going to find basically your problem in one of these topics. If not, you can just press on the search Adobe support, and in the search bar you can just write it in your problem in keywords and you can find help like that too. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.